What's the difference? If you've been searching on the internet, what is a funnel? What is a ClickFunnel? What is the difference between a website and a funnel? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be showing you what is the difference between a sales funnel and a website. And I'm also going to be showing you the exact funnel builder that I use for myself, which is ClickFunnels. But I'm going to give a bit more explanation around what exactly that entails and how it works. So to start off, what is a website? I think at this point you know exactly what a website is. You have your homepage, you have your about me page, you're telling them all these great things about yourself, about your company, etc. You house all your products on your website. It's basically your online glass house. That's not a good word, but you know what I mean. It's a website, it's your home turf, it's your hub basically. So what are the main differences between a funnel builder or a sales funnel? A funnel builder is the tool that creates the sales funnel, but what are the main differences between a sales funnel and a website? So a sales funnel is about control. I'm going to go into my screen shortly, but I just want to explain to you, when I'm talking about control, I'm talking about what action the potential, the prospect does when they get into the sales funnel. So with the websites, they can get distracted, they'll go to this product, then maybe they decide to go to your about me page, or they decide to look at this product. But if you want a certain action done, so let's say you want to capture emails, or you want to direct them to a specific video, to a specific product, there's very limited things that you can do with a sales funnel, which means that when people have too many choices, they will choose nothing. But if they have one choice, then that's the only way to go, and that's the main difference between a sales funnel and a website. It's all about control. And similarly with a website is your home, your hub, where you house all your products, where you describe your about me page about your company and all those nice things that you know exactly what websites are about. But with a sales funnel, you can direct people to particular points in your website. If someone goes into your website, they can really choose what they want to do, and your results won't be as efficient. So why are sales funnels important? When you're driving ads, or when you're doing like paid traffic, or you have a traffic source, maybe the free traffic source like TikTok, if you put them onto your website, you won't have control of what they do. But if you control the action, so let's say you want to capture their email addresses so that you can build your email list, that's where a sales funnel comes in, because the person can only do one thing. They can't do too many things, they can only do one thing, and that's how you drive your efficiencies in your business and you maximize the profits. Get it. So with that being said, let's go into the screen and I'm going to show you exactly how a funnel works and how a website works, so you can see, you're not just listening to what I'm saying, so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's go. Alright, so what we're going to do, we're going to look over a website so you can see exactly what are the differences between a website and a sales funnel. So if you look at this website, you know this website. If you don't know what Apple is or what they do, then do a Google search. But apple.com is a very popular website, it's a very popular brand, and this shows exactly how a website is operated. It has a whole bunch of different things. This is the Mac, the iPads, iPhone, watches, AirPods. So if you are running ads to this, and again, you need to look at it in terms of either you're running ads or you have a free traffic source and you want certain things to happen. You wouldn't have a lot of success when it comes to sales on this website, because again, there are too many options here. To this website, I'm going to get distracted. I look at that. Okay, the watch series. Okay, what else is there here? Look at all these watches. You know, I might not even do anything. I might not even. So there's all this extra additional information here. So if you're running ads to this particular website, or to any website, because the website has too much information, you're not going to have any success with this. Or even if you have a free traffic source, let's say you have a TikTok following and people go to the link in your bio, you're not going to have a lot of success with the website. So on the other hand, a sales funnel gives you much more control than this website. Then on the other hand, if we look at this sales funnel, so this right here is a sales funnel, it's not a website. And the key difference here is that there's very limited options. So remember, in the website, you have too many options, you might not even do anything. And then with the sales funnel, and this is why a sales funnel is so powerful, there's only one thing that you can do in here. You can only enter your email address, so that now we're capturing the emails, and then we can continue to do email marketing with the leads. It doesn't even have to be email marketing. Maybe we can do another action. Maybe we want them to perform a quiz before they actually go to the sales page. So again, even with quizzes, for example, with quizzes, that makes the prospects have a lot of micro commitments. So you actually end up wanting to finish this thing and wanting maybe to do the whole thing and continue to the end. I should give you an example. I was on YouTube and I came across a YouTube ad. I should have known better, but I clicked on the ad. I clicked on the ad and it was for an IQ test. So I was like, okay, let me see my IQ. Of course, nothing is for free. So what did I do? I clicked on the IQ. I did that whole IQ test, 20 questions, grueling, weird shapes. And then at the end, they were like, you have to pay $20 to buy this IQ test. I'm like, no, I wasn't trying to pay money for an IQ test. And that really irritated me. But because I am a marketer, I know how it works. So I was like, you know what? That's a very good idea. I might implement that myself in some shape or form in the future. But you can only do that with the sales funnel. So you can be creative. You can capture emails. You can create quizzes. You can do a lot of different things with sales funnels. And if you scroll down here, we're giving them extra information. Just give them a bit of information so to qualify them, or at least to give them a chance to know why they should be putting their email address in here. Okay, so here's some more things. So you see here, this is a very simple. There's not much that they can do. They can only put this email address. Gym funnel. This is a funnel for a gym. So again, usually with gyms, what they normally do, they give you like some kind of free pass, 5-day free pass, 7-day free pass, just to get you in. And again, if you have your whole website for your gym, you can create the sales funnel to give them the lead magnets, which is the 7-day pass, right? And once you give them that lead magnet to be like, okay, you want 7 days, let us collect your emails, because you can continue to do email marketing with them. And again, you can see over here, give me the free days, give me the 7-day free yes, give me the free 7-day pass. Okay, I got it. Right, so that's what would happen. And you obviously, let's say you were a gym, you would put some real testimonials, you would freshen this up and make it towards your branding. But basically the key word is control. You controlling what is happening here. You getting the emails, so you can click this button here, and then all of a sudden they need to enter the email address, and then you direct them to the websites where you can offer them other things and things like that. But it doesn't matter now what happens after this, because now you already have the email address, and you're going to keep following up with them. Remind them to come get the 7-day free trial, because your product is so good. They're going to do that 7-day free trial or 7-day free gym membership, and they're going to stay. And that's how sales funnels work, because they allow you to control exactly what you need to do. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave a link down below to the actual funnel that we used in the previous example. What you can do is you can click that link. It's called Share My Funnel. You can click that link and it will take you straight to Clickfunnels. Import the actual funnel straight into your Clickfunnels account. If you don't have Clickfunnels, what it's going to do, it's just going to take you to the Clickfunnels sign up page. Don't worry, you don't have to pay anything. It gives you the 14-day free trial, so you can actually see how this works and what you can do for you. So if your niche is not in the actual funnel that we spoke about in the previous video, don't worry. I'm going to leave you a Google link drive to a whole bunch of funnels which you can import straight into your Clickfunnels account, including a homepage website. So if you're really struggling to create a website, this can go straight into your Clickfunnels account and you can create a website and just put in the pictures, put in your products, update the text. Plug and play. you're welcome.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Devil.
Oh no, but I don't know how to use Clickfunnels. Oh no, but I don't know how to use Clickfunnels.
Don't worry, I got you. I got you. So I'm also going to leave a link down below to my ultimate Clickfunnels training. This training is beginner friendly. It's also advanced training, so it does everything from showing you how to do webinars to actually how to set up your first funnel. It covers everything. Everything is in the training. And if you're still struggling with the Clickfunnels training, I'm going to leave another link, and that link is going to go to my Facebook group. And if you're struggling with any of the materials here, the Clickfunnels training, you can go into my Facebook group. It's just a few easy questions to be eligible to join the Facebook group. It's a free Facebook group, and you can post the questions in those group. I respond in that group. And if you're struggling with anything relating to Clickfunnels, things like that, you can pose your questions in the group. That being said, if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, smash the notification bell. It really helps the channel grow. Again, this is a new channel, we're growing. We want to show more people this, show more people more tactics on how to change things for themselves. And stay healthy, stay focused, and stay tuned. Bye guys.